Hey everyone, I thought I'd talk about sedum, or common name stone crops. I noticed that I have a lot of video and pictures of them in portrait mode, so I put a few of them together and made a short video. Sedums are probably one of the easiest plants to grow and propagate for free plants. They don't need to be watered that often, they don't like to be fed, and like relatively poor soil. Propagation is easy. Just cut off a stem and stick it in the ground or a pot, or put them in water for a few weeks to grow roots, or just have them in a vase for a while. They grow 1 to 3 feet tall, depends on where you have them planted. I've had some that reach 42 inches. Whenever they bloom in August, they attract the bees, different butterflies, and moths, and they'll bloom all the way through November. And each flower has hundreds of individual flowers inside of it. I overwintered them on my back covered patio and just brought them out a couple of weeks ago and placed them for summer and fall. I only had them covered because I wanted to control the water during the winter due to my concrete pots not knowing how they would act to freezing, because I've had pots crack in the past. I left the flower stems up all winter because it seems to keep the squirrels out. Plus, I like to see some of them in the snow. Winter interest. All you have to do is just pull them out. In my case, I just throw them in the yard for the birds to build nests out of. And the ones that are left either disintegrate or they get mowed over. They are considered perennial leaf succulents, so the more sun they get, the better they do. If they lay down or flop, that means they're not getting enough sun or they're getting way too much water. They have a hardiness zone of 3 to 9, so with that big of a zone range, they can grow in a lot of places, more than a lot of plant varieties. The benefits of sedum are that they can serve as antiseptic properties, used on wounds, boast anti-inflammatory, various skin conditions, and burns. They're also edible. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.